So I got 3.5 gallon size bags of breakfast burritos. This is the pile I got. So a Costco thing of burritos minus like, probably like 6 tortillas. And a Costco 24 pack of eggs and like, I think it was like 6 potatoes. Got me this. So, oh, and two packs of bacon. So, yeah, I did a lot less potatoes than what I normally would do. My husband doesn't love a ton of potatoes in his, so I go very minimal on potatoes and a lot more bacon and eggs. And then I did put some cheese in there. I think I ended with like 2 burritos that didn't get potatoes in them, but that's okay. He will eat them anyway. And yeah, so I'm happy to have those done. And now we are gonna do a bean, chicken, and cheese burritos for the freezer as well. For lunches and breakfasts, just when he doesn't have one, he can grab and go. Okay, so here I am just assembling my burritos. I had some leftover rice in the fridge, and I had a rotisserie chicken that I took all the meat off of. And I just made as many burritos as the chicken would go. And I did add my home canned beans with some taco seasoning and then cheese. So I actually only got 10 burritos. These are the bigger tortillas from Costco. And the chicken got me 10 burritos. And I was feeling done for the day. So I just want to encourage you guys, meal prepping doesn't always have to be this big all day ordeal. Do small bites when you can do it. I only had an hour to do this while my son napped, and I was feeling really overwhelmed that day and I didn't want to do it, but I did it and it got me 10, and it literally only took me like 20 minutes. So just encouraging you guys, if you want to meal prep, it doesn't have to be an all day big thing. Okay, so this I did actually a little while ago. I had canned some pears. You can see my little guy kicking in the bouncer over there. It's kind of cute. But I had decided to can up these just sliced pears. I had my cousin over that day helping me, and she was so nice and decided to help me slice some pears. And I just put it in a brown sugar simple syrup. And I do want to bring you guys a more detailed video on how to do this next time I get some pears, so I will do that next time I have pears on hand. But these turned out really good, and I just love having sliced pears on hand just to eat straight out of the jar or to make something with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.